So, in this video we are going to see how to convert a decimal number into a binary and the binary to decimal. Before proceeding further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. So, for conversion from decimal to binary, let us take a number 78. Now, whenever we are converting one base to another base, number always should be written in bracket, and outside the bracket we must write the base as a suffix, as a subscript. So, here I will write 10 because the base of the decimal system is 10. I am going to convert it into binary. So, that is why I have written there 2. Now, the process is fairly simple. I am going to tell you 2 different methods. First method is the division method. So, in the division method, what we have to do is, we will write the number, then we are going to continuously divide it by 2 and we will collect the remainders from each and every step. So, dividing it by 2, I get 39 with 0 remainder. Dividing by 2, I get 19 with 1 remainder. Dividing again by 2, I get 9 with 1 remainder. Similarly, 2, I get 4 with 1 remainder. Again dividing by 2, I get 2 with 0 as remainder. Dividing by 2 at 1, again 0 as the remainder, and in the final step again I will divide 2, I will get 0 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. Now, since we have reached to the 0, we cannot proceed further. So, we are going to write the remainders from bottom to top. Okay? So, it will be written as 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. So, you can see our number 78 is converted into binary. I hope this is clear to all. Okay, because now I am going to show you the reverse thing, that is, this number I will start with and I will get back 78 again. Okay. So, now if I have to convert a binary number into decimal, then what I have to do? Starting from the right hand side, okay, I will put a suffix 0. Okay, just I will put a 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this I will write. Okay, then I will write 1 into, I will start from the leftmost side. See, the rightmost bit is called as least significant bit and the leftmost is known as most significant bit. Okay. So, I will start with the MSB, that is the most significant bit. So, 1 into 2 to the power the number which I have written on the top, that is 6, plus 0 into 2 to the power 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. So, 2 to the power 6 is 64 plus 0 into 32, that will be 0. 0 into 16 will be 0. 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay. So 64 plus 8 is 72. Sorry. 64 plus 8 is 72. 72 plus 6 is 78. So this is how we convert a binary number into decimal number. I hope it is clear to all. Now the second method. In the second method, there won't be any division or multiplication like this. Okay. Let us say I have to convert 97 to its equivalent binary number. Okay. 97 into its equivalent binary number. So in the second method, what I will do, one grid I will make. Okay. Now I will start with 1, then 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 64, 128. Now I have stopped at 128 because the number which I have to convert is less than 128. Okay. So I will move to the 64. I can see that 64 is less than 97. So I will put a 1 here, and then this 97, from this 97 I will subtract the 64. So I will get 33. Okay. 33 is, we can see it is greater than 32. So again I will put a 1 here, and I will put 32 here. I will subtract, I will get 1. Now 16 is greater than 1, I will put 0. 8 is greater than 1, I will put 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now my number is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is the another method of converting decimal number into binary. Okay. Now the similar method I am going to use for conversion from binary number to decimal number. Please. Now let us have a number . I don't know what is this number, okay, but let us convert this number into its equivalent decimal number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So what I am going to do is, again I am going to make a block, but in this block one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Okay. Now I will write this number into these blocks. So I will get 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now what I have to do is, wherever there is a 1, okay, the number below the ones, that numbers we have to add. So 128 plus 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1. So 8 plus 2 10, 20, 21, 4, 5, 8, 1. So the number is 181 in decimal number system. So there are these two methods I have explained to convert the decimal number to binary and binary to decimal. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I will be converting the decimal number system to octal and hexadecimal.